Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but I'm gonna try to film a couple videos and upload some old footage I have as well. In January, I came back from school on a co-op term, so since then I've been making some money and saving some money for some car parts, but I haven't been doing much to the car since it was the winter and it takes time to save money, obviously. So in the next 2 or 3 weeks, I'm gonna upload some old footage I had from school of us doing car stuff. So me, Peter, Steph, and Megan doing car stuff. And this video I'm uploading is going to be us looking for a new car for Peter. So if you're not following me on Instagram, then you probably don't know what car he got. So in this series, we're gonna be looking for a Subaru that's somewhere around like 12 to 13 grand, which is Peter's budget. And he's gonna be replacing the Outback since the Outback is starting to have like issues and stuff. So yeah, I thought it was really cool to go on that adventure, so I started filming our car hunt. And so I'm gonna upload 3 or 4 vlogs from all the cars that we went to look at. And I skipped the first one, which is why this video is gonna be the second one. The first one we went to was a WRX. Had a lot of problems, like the fender was messed up, and looks like we assumed that it was like the head gaskets were no good and whatever with Subarus that I like learned along the way. So yeah, I'm gonna be uploading those videos. I hope you guys enjoy this little series. And also, just to give you guys an update, I did buy some car parts, but I'll show you guys right now. Alright, so here's the CRV. Nothing much has been done to it since the winter. It does have a crack in the LED fog light I installed in summer from some kind of rock, so I guess in hindsight I probably should have put clear film over it. But here are the parts I bought that I want to install in the next 2 or 3 weeks. So for the CRV, I got the LED reflectors in the rear. So I'm going to figure out how to wire that up. And then also, I made this custom short ram intake with a PRL tube, eBay MAF sensor, and AEM filter from Amazon. So these are going to be the videos I will try to film and upload in maybe 3 weeks or so, after I upload all the old footage I have from school. So if you guys are here for CRV content, make sure you stay subscribed and also follow my Instagram, because I'll probably be uploading a picture or an update for when I install these 2 parts. So one thing I want to say before you guys get into the video is that I started this channel off like the CRV mods, but because modding can get pretty expensive and I don't always have something to do to the car. Like for example, after the intake and the LED reflectors, like I might be able to do like a K-tuner and then wheels and maybe like fix up the exhaust. But those are all things that are going to be pretty expensive. It's like $900 for a K-tuner, like $2,000–3,000 for wheels, and so on. So because I'm trying to save some money all the time, like I can't spend towards the car. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know, just be prepared that I won't always have any more CRV install videos and such. It will probably just be like vlogs, cinematics, and other non-installation related things. Also, thank you guys for breaking 1,000 subscribers. It really means a lot to me since starting this channel like 2 or 3 years ago. It's pretty slow growing, but I really like making these videos, so it's all right with me. And alright, that's all the talking I wanted to do, and I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog as well as my next couple vlogs.
We are checking the VIN to make sure it's not stolen right now. 3G. We're gonna leave this hooked up.
We're gonna take the car for a test drive right now.
there.
Oh yeah. Good.
The bumper, yeah, I kind of looked at. The underneath it all has the shield, so there's no like.
No scrapes or whatever.
No.
I don't think he lowered it because I was looking at the strut tower.
Yeah.
And then it looks like the 3 nuts never moved. Like you know how normally if you put like suspension on it, you'll see like the imprint.
Yeah. I just want to be able to rip through 5 years.
That intake, bro.
Yeah. Intake's pretty nice.
That's a nice intake.
That feels pretty good. Let's go back down this road. Yeah, this shifter's a short shifter for sure. That's probably why it's definitely at the Cobb short shift.
Mm-hmm.
Ready? It feels good. It sounds pretty good too.
Yeah, not too much interior noise. I feel like that's like inevitable, the interior noise.
Yeah. What's that thing? Just the trunk.
Yeah.
It actually feels pretty nice. I think we could get them down on the price a little bit too. It sounds way better than the last one.
Wait, is he asking? Is this 13 or 12?
This is 11.9.
Yeah, whatever. I feel like these little things are like.
All speakers work. Yeah, no, mine says distance to empty up there, but. Oops. Actually, it feels shorter in 1 and 2. Feel these ones. They go all the way over.
It feels about the same.
Yeah, maybe just my arm from further over. No, I don't think this is a bad car by any means. I think it's a way better car than the last one.
When this ring doesn't flash, I thought it normally flashes or some shit. Does that mean anything?
I don't think the other one should have been flashing.
But this one isn't even on. Like yours is red when you start it.
True.